Ever started your vacation sprinting through an airport like it's an Olympic sport, only to find out your luggage decided to take a different holiday? Ah, the joys and stresses of travel. There I was, suitcaseless, on the brink of what was meant to be a dream vacation in Italy, the land of pasta, picturesque landscapes, and profound history. But as fate would have it, I found myself standing in Venice without a change of clothes or my meticulously planned itinerary. It's like the universe's way of saying, "Welcome to Adventure Travel Packlight." This little hiccup kick-started what I now fondly refer to as my Zen Traveler's Guide. It isn't just a set of packing tips or top destination spots. It's a philosophy on how to maintain your composure and embrace spontaneity when your plans are thrown into disarray. Let's face it, losing your luggage is merely the opening act in the often unpredictable play of travel. My first few hours in Venice were a mixed bag. Confusion and frustration were palpable as I navigated through the bustling streets, dodging eager tourists and local vendors. The realization that my well-laid plans were crumbling felt daunting. However, as the initial shock wore off, a sense of adventure began to creep in. There was Venice, in all its glory, waiting to be explored, not through the lens of my detailed plan, but through the spontaneity of the moment. Now picture I am, navigating the enchanting narrow lanes of Venice, a city famed for its serpentine canals and rich history, armed with nothing but a passport and my rudimentary Italian skills. Initial panic was inevitable, but the beauty of Venice soon beckoned me to embrace the adventure. I found myself bargaining with a local vendor for the most extravagantly vibrant shirt I could find, a loud, perhaps gaudy piece that screamed tourist, but when in Venice, why not dive into the local flair? Wearing my new flamboyantly colored shirt, I ventured deeper into the heart of Venice. Each corner of this storied city told tales of ages past, and every canal echoed with the laughter and chatter of its people. The locals, amused by my attire, soon warmed up, offering directions and sharing stories of their city. My shirt had not only become a garment but also a conversation starter, a bridge to the world around me. I wandered through markets, sampled exquisite local cuisine, and even enjoyed an impromptu gondola under the stars. The experience was nothing like what I had planned, yet it felt profoundly right. It was a reminder that sometimes the best memories are the ones we don't schedule. The days passed, and I grew more accustomed to my unplanned circumstances. I learned to appreciate the small joys and unexpected encounters. By the time I was ready to leave, Venice had taught me more about resilience, adaptability, and the beauty of the unexpected than any of my previous travels. I learned that travel isn't just about seeing new places. It's about seeing life from new perspectives. It challenges you, changes you, and above all, it enriches you. Travel is indeed this beautiful, unpredictable beast. It can stir stress but kindles immense joy and personal growth. So there I was in Venice with just a passport and a dream, learning my first lesson in travel flexibility.